loves, it's your girl Makeup by Carrie. Today we're going to be doing a fun size and a full size neon skull look for Halloween. So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to get it done. First, we're going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup SFX Cream Color in the color Fuchsia. And we're going to pair it with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, the pink fuchsia color right here. Using your 16 brush from NYX Professional Makeup, we're going to be taking some of the SFX paint. We're going to create a halo across our lip. For your nose, you're going to take the same cream color and you're going to shape it out into an M shape. Okay, once that's done, you should look something like this. I know it looks funny, but it's gonna come along, guys. We're gonna use the same 16 brush from NYX Professional Makeup, and we're gonna top it off with the eyeshadow now. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like right now, okay? I know, right? It's coming along so freaking cute. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take our NYX Professional Makeup 5 brush and we're going to do the same exact process. We're going to go in with the SFX Cream Color in Fuchsia and top it off with the same shadow from the Brights palette. And to make it easier on the blending when you add the shadow, I suggest you just taking the cream color and kind of dabbling out of the lines so you could kind of get a little blend thing going on. Okay, love, so you should be looking something similar to this right now. The last step for the fun size is going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner, and we're going to draw on some teeth. Okay guys, so we're done with the fun size. This is exactly what you should be looking like. This is something real quick and easy and on the go. So now we're going to move on to the full look, which is a lot more detailed. The first step now is to use the same white liquid liner, and we're going to go ahead and define our cheekbones. Now it's time to connect the teeth. Alright, so I'm going to take the white liner and I'm going to go ahead and outline my nose as well. Now we're going to take our jumbo eye pencil in the color Black Bean, and we're going to go ahead and fill in the nose, the teeth, and we're going to fill in under this white line. Now I'm going to go in with the number 20 brush from NYX Professional Makeup and fill in my teeth. number 5 brush that I used the first time to contour. I put a little bit of the Black Bean Jumbo Eye Pencil on the back of my hand just to make it easier for myself. And then I've turned the brush sideways to kind of dabble it in to get that shadow look. Okay guys, so using our 16 brush, we're gonna go ahead and use some of the pink eyeshadow and some of the Black Bean Jumbo Eye Pencil, and we're gonna go ahead and create ourselves a smoky eye. Alright, so to top off the black of the Jumbo Eye Pencil, to make it a little easier, I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Strip the Nude eyeshadow. Now that we have our little smoky eye popping, oh my gosh, I am in love with this look. We're gonna take the white liquid liner and we're gonna go ahead and make a line across the lid. We're gonna basically create a crease. For the last step, we're gonna use the NYX Professional Glitter Primer, and we're gonna use the Face and Glitter in the color Ice. We're going to apply it in the corner of our eyes. We're gonna fill in our teeth. We're gonna use the number 20 brush to do this. And then I'm gonna do my own little final touches. Alright guys, so this is the full completed look for the neon skull. So we are really freaking cute and we're gonna rock it out at the Halloween party. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.